Teaching is a labor of love, reinforcing foundational reading skills, guiding handwriting practice, and managing more energy than a classroom of sugar-fueled bunnies. Meanwhile, class sizes grow, resources dwindle, and that paycheck rarely stretches far enough. Yet you possess highly remarkable skills: organization, empathy, clear communication that the $11 trillion travel industry is begging for. Let's draw some direct parallels. Lesson planning equals itinerary design. You sequence engaging activities, you'll sequence flights, hotels, and excursions. You sequence storytelling and read-alongs. You'll sequence destination storytelling. You captivate young minds, and you'll be captivating families with vivid travel narratives. You have classroom management. You'll have trip management. You currently wrangle squirmy students. You'll be wrangling group bookings and vendor contracts. You have positive reinforcement. You'll have client confidence. While currently you praise students, you'll be building trust and repeat business with glowing services. You differentiate instruction, and you'll be personalizing travel. You currently adapt lessons to each learner, and what you will be doing is tailoring vacations to each family's needs. I understand that launching a new side hustle without the guidance can feel extremely overwhelming, being thrown into a new grade level without the training. Sunday Travel acts as your co-teacher, offering training the entire way. As the founder and owner of Sunday Travel, I bring more than 2 decades of hands-on travel experience, but I also hold a degree in education. The combination of industry know-how and formal teaching training equips me to guide new agents through every step of their journey. From breaking down complex booking systems into simple, actionable lessons to providing ongoing mentorship and feedback, my background in education ensures that every agent receives the personalized instruction and support that they need to thrive. The best part is that it's on your time. You control your time block. The timing is up to you. You may think, but I don't know travel. Sunday Travel gives you the cheat sheet on top destinations and supplier webinars so that you can learn by doing. But I'm not a salesperson. This isn't cold calling, it's consultative guidance, similar to guiding parents through student development. Tech intimidates me. Our user interface is as intuitive as your school's learning platform. Drag and drop, fill and done. Over 95% of our agents came from non-travel backgrounds, and they are succeeding rapidly. Picture this: your next fall break is a paid field trip to the Great Smoky Mountains. You're photographing wildflowers and spotting elk, gathering research for future clients. Picture you return to school with vibrant photos, anecdotes about the Cherokee history, and a commission check for every family who books through you. Amid shifting mandates and tighter budgets, a flexible second income is more than a perk, it's a safety net. Families are eager to invest in expert curated travel, and your community already trusts your guidance on every aspect of their child's life. This opportunity builds on that trust, extends your influence and your income. Ready to turn that chalk dust into a boarding pass? If you're ready to apply today, please email your resume to info@sundaytravelllc.com with elementary agent in the subject line. If you're still curious but cautious, please take our free quiz at travelagentcareer.sportapp.com. The link is down below, and you can see if it does fit your goals. Thank you for sharing these moments with me. You've spent your career fostering curiosity. Thank you for sharing these moments with me. You've spent your career fostering curiosity and wonder in young minds. Now channel that same magic into crafting unforgettable travel experiences for families. With Sunday Travel as your co-teacher, you'll stay in the classroom that you love while expanding the horizons and your paycheck. I'm Jennifer Olson, wishing you lively lessons and rewarding adventures. Let's explore new worlds together.